Always, as we all know, software development is, first of all, we should know the requirement. So always in the development, when it comes to service based company, so the first step is client will assign the client will create the tickets for the developers. So like what is the requirement, all these things they will create the ticket in the tool called Jira. So tickets is nothing but what they want to do, what is the requirement, all these things they will mention in the ticket itself. Okay, so mostly the clients does not know the technical things, so they will give the requirement. So once they have done the creating the ticket, after creating the ticket process, then it comes to the meeting, which is called sprint meeting. The sprint meeting, client as well as the technical manager and the developers will join in the meeting, and they are all together will discuss about what all the ticket is priority. So according to the priority, these tickets will be assigned to the developers. So for example, if it is a front end task, that will be assigned to the front end developer. If it is any back end task, that will be allocated to the back end task. If it's a first step of creating the ticket. Next one is the clarification. So in case if developers during the start of the work, if they have any clarifications, if they want to ask anything, they will ask the client directly, or sometimes they will ask the technical lead also, sometimes they will ask their managers, depends on the project team. So in case if the managers or technical lead knows the solution, they will tell the developers what to do. In case if they don't know, definitely they will have a call with the client and they will ask the actual clarifications with them, and they need to mention whatever their requirement is. Okay, this is the first step actually. The next one is about the daily status call. What is a daily status call means? Once the developer is ready to work on these tickets, he has to tell what he has to do and what he wants to do in the regular acceptance. So it depends on the project, they will have a different environment. So in case just consider that UAT, which is user acceptance testing. So which means from the developer system, from developer local system, he move changes to the UAT, which is kind of user acceptance testing. So in this testing, the testing team will come and test the scenarios what you have done. Along with that, users also will come. Once the testing team done, then it goes to the users queue, actual users, end users, or we can say client. The client, they will have their own team, so they will come and they will also test your changes, and they will check the impact also, because just because you are doing one change does not mean that will impact on only particular place. They will test entire application one more time. So if everything works fine along with your changes also, then they will plan for production. Production is the final stage of the development. So production, you know what is a production, right? It is a live application. So they will move your change to the live application. Okay, how we are developing our software applications in all the companies, mainly in service based company. First step is creating the ticket, next allocating the ticket to the developer and daily status call, and from there it goes to the production. This is how the development works. In case if you have any doubts or anything, just let me know, and in between there is a lot of process I just missed because I don't want to confuse you, and if you have any clarifications, just post in the comments, we will see. Thank you.